Hello everyone, you are watching Naresh IAS Academy YouTube channel. This is the next part on IAS Prelims Exam series. Questions we have taken from the geography. The Hindi version of question paper is available after the English. So you may continue for the both Hindi and English. Question number 1 is, which of the following has the highest albedo? Right answer is C, 2 and 3. Sea ice has 50 to 70% albedo, while the fresh ice या fresh snow has more than 90% albedo. So albedo is the amount of solar radiation which is reflected from such objects, and the black surface has almost zero albedo and nothing is reflected from the black surface. Which of the following statement is correct? Right answer is A, only one is correct. Coriolis force which affects only the direction of the wind, never the speeds of wind, that by second statement is wrong. And the greatest effect of the Coriolis force is at the poles and lowest or least at the equator line. Due to the Coriolis force, so many geographical concepts about the currents, winds have been explained, and further through the Farrell's law, it was expanded in the other geographical concepts. Question number 3 is, the correct sequence from bottom to top of the gaseous layer in the heterosphere is? The right answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. You know, the atmosphere is classified or divided according to the gaseous composition in homosphere or the heterosphere. The heterosphere, when we move from the bottom to top, and at the bottom level this is the atomic nitrogen layer, and above this is the oxygen layer, then helium layer, and then the hydrogen layer. The hydrogen layer exists at the top, while the atomic nitrogen layer at the bottom. So the right sequence of this option D, which is responsible for the maximum amount of insolation. Right answer is C, both 1 and 2 are correct. The maximum length of the day is responsible for the absorption or incident of maximum amount of insolation, and also the more inclination of sun rays is responsible for maximum amount of insolation, and the low inclination or the less inclination of sun rays record the minimum amount of insolation. The insolation is the amount of solar radiation which incidents at the earth directly or indirectly or in the atmosphere.